Hello, Richard Revy, Director of Technological Workshops and the Research and Development Service at the ENILEA campus in Mamirolle. In our investment towards CoaguSens, we've also chosen to invest in CoaguSens Flex, aiming to optimize coagulation phases and acquire expertise, enabling us to contribute our technical skills and experience in using these devices to the professional world. Thus, we train both our on-site learners and also professionals from the industry for optimizing their use of devices and understanding their daily application in production. This device allows us to make measurements with variable parameters on small quantities, making it suitable for both large and small workshops. We mainly use this type of device with 240-liter vats for making pressed curd, lactic coagulum, but it can also be used for pressed cooked cheese directly in the workshop. The device's advantage is its portability, small size, lightweight, and it has a user-friendly interface. There's no need to stay by the device to monitor the coagulation curve's progress. Measurements can be taken remotely while the device is placed away from the vat. At ENILEA Campus Mamirolle and Campus Poligny, we work for the profession in a service named Research and Development. We provide services to companies for product development or manufacturing optimization. We can offer support with our workshops, as well as advice based on our experiences with this type of devices, since we've been using it since 2016. This enables us to master its use and optimize manufacturing processes. As we've seen in our daily productions, we've achieved consistency and worked on optimizing parameters. From milk storage preparation to adjusting the protein content or rennet level based on the protein content, and during manufacturing, like blade speed for slicing gel, stirring speed, etc. We've gained several skills in manufacturing optimization thanks to the coagulation device.